Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Umar Abu Bakar. My school name is Sanjay Nagar Public Education Trust Higher Secondary School. I am from grade 5. We are doing virtual exhibition and I am a part of it. My topic is climate of Pakistan. Now let's start the presentation. What is climate? The weather condition in an area in general over a long period is called climate. Pakistan lies in temperate climate zone. Pakistan has 4 seasons: a cool dry winter from December to February, a hot dry spring from March to May, the summer rainy season from June to September, and the retreating monsoon period of October and November. What is climate change? A change of climate which is attributed directly or indirectly to human activity that alters the composition of the global atmosphere. Effects of global warming on climate of Pakistan. Pakistan itself contributes very light to the overall emission of the greenhouse gases, yet it remains one of the mostly hit countries of the world by the process of global warming. Rising temperature in Pakistan. Temperature of Pakistan has been increasing during the past decade. A rise in temperature of 0.6 to 1 degree Celsius in the coastal areas, 0.5 to 0.7% increasing in solar radiation. Over southern half of country in central Pakistan, a 3 to 5% decrease in cold cover with increasing the temperatures. Climate change in Pakistan. Change in temperature 0.6 to 1 degree Celsius increase in mean temperature in coastal areas since early 90s. Change in precipitation 10 to 15% decrease in coastal belt over the last 40 years in northern Pakistan. Climate change effect on water. Water resources are linked with climate. The fresh water resources in Pakistan are mainly based on snow and glacier melt and monsoon rains. Both are being highly sensitive to climate change. Water sources. The 5 major water resources Jhelum, Ravi, Beas, Satluj and Chenab. The 3 minor rivers Harrow, Son and Sirang, which make the Indus River system, in the main source of surface water in Pakistan along with the dams. Major dams are Tarbela and Mangla with Basha under the way. This is the per capita water availability. However, is Pakistan affected by climate change? Fresh water availability is also projected to decrease, which will lead to biodiversity loss and reduced availability of fresh water for the population. Pakistan is at greatest risk due to increased flooding from the rivers and in some cases sea. Being an agriculture economy, climate change is estimated to decrease crop in Pakistan, which in turn will affect food production. These are some pictures of flood. The people are affected from floods. Because of climate change, the glaciers are melting and floods are coming. This was my presentation. Thank you.